Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to delete a text on Slack app. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, let me send a DM to my friend on Slack. So guys, as you can see, I've sent a text to my friend. So if you want to delete it, just check on the right side. Here you can see the reaction buttons. But if you want to delete the text, you can see the three dots where there are more actions. So click on it. Here you can find the delete message option. So if you click on this, and this icon will pop up. So click on delete. So guys, this way you can delete your text on Slack app. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.